As a barista, using the past perfect tense can add a level of sophistication to your communication with customers and coworkers. The past perfect tense is used to indicate that one action happened before another in the past. This is particularly useful when talking about past events or actions that occurred in a specific order. Let's explore how to use the past perfect tense in various scenarios in a coffee shop setting. When talking about past actions before a specific point in time, I had already brewed a fresh pot of coffee before the morning rush began. The barista had cleaned the espresso machine before the store opened. By the time the customer arrived, I had already prepared their favorite latte. 2. When referring to two past actions, before I added the milk, I had brewed the espresso shot. After the customer had ordered, I made sure to ask if they wanted their coffee hot or iced. The barista had completed all the orders before taking a short break. When describing past experiences, I had worked at 3 different coffee shops before joining this one. The customer had never tried a flat white until last week. By the time I started at this cafe, I had already mastered the art of latte art. 4. When talking about unfinished actions, the barista had not finished brewing the coffee before the customer walked in. We had not restocked the pastry case by the time the rush started. The customer had not decided on their order before the barista was ready to take it. Using the past perfect tense in barista work can help you communicate effectively and convey a sense of professionalism. Practice using this tense in your daily interactions to improve your English skills and impress customers with your level of language proficiency.